It's a good day. Today we are going to start our new course, which is Java development. And in this course, we are going to look at the basics of Java programming. We are going to do this with a very bit by bit so that everyone can be able to grasp something, understanding something, and be able to build at the end of the day the application in Java language. You'll be with me, Ray Migakwaya, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave the comment if you have a question so that we can be able to give you the best skills and knowledge in Java programming as you deserve. You deserve more better like this. So, for us to be able to develop or to code in Java, we don't need a lot. We just need a very simple environment. We just need an environment of where we can execute or run our application. But before that, you need any text editor program. So you can use Notepad or any other text editor. For me, I'll use any which will be available, but mostly Sublime is becoming my favorite. But also, after knowing what text editor you're going to use, you need to know, is your computer able to compile or understand the Java code? Because that's another thing that the computer should be able to, for you to develop or to code in Java. Your computer has to be able to understand the code and then convert that code to another format which Java runtime can be able to execute and run that. All right. So we need to go to Oracle. That's a website. Or you can write download Java JDK Java Development Kit 8, whatever. And if you do that, if you like that on Google and you are connected to the internet, they will give you this, and you go to oracle.com technologies/download. When you go to this link, then you can be able to download your JDK. So you need JDK and JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment, and JDK stands for Java Development Kit. When you set all of this, you install according to the type of the computer you are using. Me, I'm using Windows, so I should download Windows. I should be here, but if you are using the other OS, then you should choose according to your OS. And then from there, you will download. So I'm already having this, but I will do it for the sake of this. So you see it's downloading here, and when it finishes, which I will stop it, then I'll be able to see that happening in this particular environment. So when you install it, if everything has been installed well and they have been added well to the path, you need to go to JDK. It's not recognized, man, but Java and the Java C, not JDK. Yeah, so you check Java and Java C. Java C for Java compiler, but Java is for the runtime. When all they are set, you will be brought here. If they are not, you need to add on the environment. You need to add on the environment, system environment, not one. So you come here to the environment variables, and you will copy the path of where Java is on the bin, and you need to edit here. You paste it you add a new here and you paste the Java path. So as you can see, mine is already here for Java. This is for Java, and for this one also is for Java. So for my side, everything is set, and make sure you choose path. Make sure you choose path as you are adding it in the computer you are using. If you are not having all the power to do that on the computer, please ask someone to do it for you. Ask the IT administrator if you're using school computer, so that they cannot even come after me that I'm giving you a chance to install in their computer. So ask whoever is supposed to give you the green light to install any software if you need so. But if you don't, download, install in your computer, and you are going to be well. But if you are not having, you don't have any computer, you can still follow this lesson by using your mobile, by downloading an application called Java N/IDE. Java N/IDE. That application, you can find it in the App Store if you're using Android. For those who are using Android, they don't have computers, you can still follow this course by using your mobile phone. Yeah. So by saying that, I think we are now good to go to the interesting part. But before that, why we are mostly interested on Java, because that will be the question that some people are asking me. Why should we learn Java? Why should I care about Java? Yes, I think that's a very good question. Because if you want to develop, if you want to know the language that will allow you to code once but run everywhere, then this is the Java. Because the good thing of Java is in all the all the platform, all the operating system is supported almost with all the operating system. So your application that you made you made it once can be executed in all these other devices without struggling or changing here and there. And now we have even the Android, which is all depend on Java. It's slightly little bit different, but with the same approach. So you are having very minor changes when you move to Android, but when you are going to the desktop, all the desktops, your application will be running as long as that particular OS is having JRE, Java Runtime Environment, because that is the only environment that will allow the application that you want to run in any computer to be able to perform and do what you want. So today we are going to end here, and I see we are brought to this beautiful blank page, which means that there is a lot to fill in. And until next time, let's keep on learning together and build this particular journey with you to the level that we understand what is Java, how we can use it, where we can use it, which I'm not going to focus much, but I will give you the codes, I will teach you the codes, and then you figure it out. Okay, oh, that's why this guy has spent his time on sharing with us about Java. Thank you very much.